Hello friends. As we all know, Christmas is around the corner. This is the season of love, harmony, and celebration. This is a particular time to celebrate Jesus Christ's birth. Being a festival for Christians also, this festival is celebrated by everybody with great enthusiasm as well as joy. In this Christmas season, we are going to meet a device that is very useful in daily life and in some places where people struggling for the mobile signals. Let's get into it. Today, mobile phones are part of our life. We can do everything on the mobile phone in a moment. But in some places, the network signal strength will be very poor. Because of that, we cannot call someone or we cannot use internet services at that place. If we want to use the mobile network, we need to move to a place where we get better network signals. But sometimes it's not possible. So, the solution to our problem, we need a device that takes the signal from a place and transmits it to another place without any signal loss. Here, we introduce a device to you that will be a better solution for your mobile network problem. It is a 3-band mobile signal booster including JIO network that gives good mobile signal strength in your area. It comes in 3 parts: receiving antenna, transmitting antenna, and a device itself. Here, this is the main unit. We need 2 coaxial cables for connecting the transmitting antenna and receiving antenna to the main unit. We can take the cable length as we required. This is the transmitting antenna connection cable. We need to connect this cable to the main unit's transmitter antenna port. And the other end of this cable should be connected to the transmitter antenna as shown on the video. This is the receiving antenna cable. It must be connected with the receiver antenna port. The other end of this cable should be connected with the receiving antenna. If everything is wired correctly, let's give some power to it. It comes with the 12 volts 2 ampere adapter. Plug in the connector of that adapter to the device and turn the adapter on. Now we can see the signal strength of the 3 different bands on the display. If the signal strength is not good, try changing the place of receiving antenna. If all the signal strengths are good, mount the receiving antenna at that place. This device can cover a whole house. With this device, we can use mobile without any signal problem. If you have any mobile signal problems at your home, give it a try. You can contact us on WhatsApp or our website. The number and links are given in the description. If you like this video, do subscribe and share. Thank you for watching.